Pop your broad in the panties. Got my dick in her hands. More than the cent. I say I'm a Marvel. She say she can't stand.
Well, we meet at the park. How are you? Whoa, buddy, you scared me, buddy. What are you doing? Aha, it's so late today. What are you doing up so late? I'm just up taking my midnight stroll, as usual. Hey, you up for a story? I got a real interesting one, all about how I met a baddie. I guess I have time. Maybe a minute or two, or maybe so. Let's hear it. Let's hear it about the baddie. Awesome. We'll see it all starts at the corner store.
Hey, white boy, you trying to help a bad bitch?
A bad bitch?
Yeah, that's me. I'm a baddie, aka bad bitch. And I need some help getting back at my mans. He done fucked me over.
Well, let's fucking go.
Cool. He live right up the street. Let's go. He gon' wish he never texted my best friend trying to fuck. I swear, we gon' piss him off. You remember the plan?
I've never been more ready for something in my life, Tiff.
Don't get your ass smacked. I'm a bad bitch. It's Tiff the baddie, bad bitch Tiff, or anything baddie and Tiff, not just Tiff. Better chill out with that shit, or I about to do you like I about to do my mans. Don't do it again. Alright, let's go. He out there.
Well, geez, that won't ever happen again. Baddie Tiff.
The market, baby.
Cool. He ain't in home. Just like I thought he wouldn't be. I know he out trying to probably fuck my best friend up. It cool. He gon' get his. That's for sure.
We really did a number on your man's house. I think he's gonna be angry.
Yeah, that motherfucker gonna be in debt for good. He ain't never gonna be out of debt. That's what he get for trying to fuck my best friend. I got a fat ass, I got everything. And he gonna miss it too. And he gonna see when his house is so fucked up. Let's go before he get home.
Whoa, I think I just heard your mans pull up.
I ain't give a fuck if he home. He can come in here right now. Open that goddamn door. I'm about to get his ass. Just wait. He about to get it. Just wait. He pulling in. He walking in. Let's go.
Now, what the fuck, Tiffany? You come into my home after I get off a hard day shift to come home and see it's ruined? And then who the fuck is this? What the fuck? I am going to have to call the cops on your ass this time, Tiffany. You took it too far.
Now you know better to call me by my name, ho. Ooh, you pissed me off right now. Ooh, yeah, that's why Baddie done fucked your shit. You think you can fuck my best friend? Hell no. This bad bitch done got you good.
You're not no goddamn bad bitch. You're just Tiffany. You're from a fucking trailer park out your mom's big ass cooter. Now you need to get the fuck out before the cops get here, cause I swear to God, Tiffany, this is my last straw with your ass. Well, you sure got a mouth on you. Well, you're about to have a lot of dick stuck in your mouth. You're about to go to jail. Them cops should be here any minute now. Well played. We'll be leaving then, bitch. Buddy, did you really call him bitch? No, I just added it to make me sound cooler. Really, he just punched me in the face, the cops got there and arrested us, and really that's it. Just a little probation, and now it's just a story. A story of how I met a bad bitch named Tiff.
Big Papa Sandy, pop your broad in the panties. Got my dick in the hand. She say she can't stand